My name is Habibur Rahman. Today's my topic is success. To become successful in your life, you have remember one thing in your mind, that you have to study, that you have to hard work yourself, and your journey towards success, the hurdles and the problems come in your life, and you have to face them bravely. If you lost your hope, if you passionated, passionated and remembers your goal, remember your goals, remember your goals.
You will be succeeded.
कोई इलाज क्यों नहीं करवाते?
फर्स्ट टाइम हो गया है।
Don't worry, be confident. इसको इसी को मैनेज करना होता है, इस चीज को मैनेज करना होता है।
जी
ठीक है, carry on. अगला आइडिया पकड़ें, इसको छोड़ दीजिए।
जी
Yeah.
ठीक है। You have to face these problems and hurdles bravely. If you passionated and remember your destination, and focusing on your goals, you will be success. You will be succeed in your life. If you give up, and you will never. If you give up, you will never be successful in your life. Winner never quit, and quitter never wins.
All right, this is very good, but remember, whenever you guys are stuck and you are blank, either you can summarize what you said before, or you can pick up the very next idea. In front of audience, don't start thinking of kya tha, wo kya tha, word kya tha, sentence kya tha. Never think about that. Go to the next idea, because they don't know your planning.
Yes.
You know what is next. Okay, yeah. Just get advantage of that. Thank you. Mohammad Shazib.